up, YouTube? If you navigated this stock market crash and made some money today, let me know down in the comments below. As always, I got a jam-packed video, so please keep it locked. Please make sure you like, subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Guys, I'm kicking it off, loving on the family. And this one made my day. This was from Trey Davis. Trey Davis, if you see this, just know Coach want to say I'm extremely proud of you. Check out why. He said, yo, Chris, good evening, sir. I remain coachable, teachable, and trainable. Saw the market trending downward. Look at how he's identifying what the market is doing. He ain't guessing. He ain't gambling. He's identifying that it was trending downward early this morning and was able to pivot with an Uber put on the pullback. Locked in profits, got in, got out, made my $111 today. I look forward to continue learning and growth during the journey. Thanks, bro. Trey, you were absolutely surgical, guys. This is how it's done. Some of you guys, he's on the money team, and some of you are going to learn that this time period, trying to trade during a stock market crash is one of the most difficult times. And so, number one, give yourself some grace. It won't always be this difficult, okay? But when you happen to come against adversity like a stock market crash, everything's selling off like crazy, guys, you have to be flexible and nimble. You have to implement what Trey identified today. He noticed that it was a downward trend. If you see the stock is going down, go with the trend. Don't go against the grain, okay? Unless you know you're catching it on a little bit of time that it went up for the day, okay? You have to know, okay, when it's going up, I'm going up. When it's going down, I have to go with the trend, okay? Trey, good job. But everybody else who did their thing and navigated successfully through these choppy waters, through this stock market crash, I want to say major salute, man, okay? This is what it's about. Check this out, guys. February is typically a down month. The average monthly performance. So January is typically a good month, and that sets the tone. If you have a good January, typically you have a good rest of the 11 months of the year. But out of that, just don't mean every month will be up. February is one of the worst months in the stock market. September is the worst. But February is right up there, like in second or third place, okay? And so what you're seeing is actually in line with how every year or most years in February will go. Now, that doesn't mean doom and gloom. This is just really the ideal, optimal time to buy some of your plays that you want for the long term. If you want to get leaps, now is the time. If you want to have long calls, now is the time. February is when we do that, and it sets you up properly because look at this, guys. Look at March. You guys going to have an up month in March, an up month in April, and then it's going to come back down again in May. And so understand the ebbs and flow of the market so that you can know how to properly adjust and have a trading plan that supports, okay, this month is going down, this month we're going up, and you know how to navigate so that you're not just caught off guard, okay? Again, guys, these are things you're going to learn on a 100K challenge. These are things you are going to get better with time. Do not judge yourself if you're getting wrecked right now and this year or one of your first stock market crashes you're going through, okay? This is not the time to have the wrong lens. You need to say, yep, I'm using this as a learning round for this is how I'm going to navigate differently next time it's come around. It's telling you right now, the next one of these is coming in May, okay? So whatever you're doing now, this is why Coach say track your results. Track and write down, journal everything so that you know, man, I got caught slipping here. I didn't have a stop loss here. Coach pounds these same messages home. What is he saying that I'm not doing that I need to do better for? So when we crash again in May, I clearly got the data. I clearly can see If I got two eyes, I can see. We're going to crash in February. That's what we're doing right now. And we're going to crash again in May. This is just historical stuff, guys. So when I see people quitting, giving up, throwing in the towel, woe is me, running the victim Olympics, I'm looking like, man, this comes with the territory. Don't be down on yourself. You just got to know what's going on. You just got to know these historical facts about the stock market, okay? So February, guys, you got how many this month in the 28th? What's today? Today is the 20. You got 3 more days of this, and then it's over with, okay? And then you go back to the market going up again. Understand these things, okay? But when it go down, they take the escalator down, so your plays can come down 30 to 80%. That's the difference. That's why I told you, learn to make money in both directions, because you can hit the 100K faster on puts. Look how long it took Palantir, and this ain't even about them. Look how long it took Palantir to go up, even though it was a beautiful run. Whether you've been with me since $8 or $20, all the way to 124. But look how quick it came from 124 all the way back to 80. Look how quick that was. 2 days, 3 days for some of you, okay? So you can make your 100K to the downside way quicker when you know, okay, this is going to happen again. Let me be ready for it when May come. We're going to go up in March. We're going to go up in April. And then, boom, they're going to get it up for a reason just so they can bring it back down. You've seen it here first, guys. Apply this to your teaching, okay? Now, check this out. Speaking of riding plays down, Coach was in Tesla puts today, and among other plays, okay? I told you I just take what the market give. But look at this. I got this at 11.20. I got out of this at 11.31. $10,000 in 11 minutes. I want you to know, guys, I just got a lot I want you to know. Just know this is possible for you. I'm going to keep it at that, okay? Today was a day, easily $100,000 day with the just Tesla alone. Tesla went from 330 all the way down to 297. That is 100K in a day, okay? You just take bites of the apple, 10K, 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 from market open to market close, and you just do this, okay? This is possible, okay? And so you need to understand that this is right there for the taking on any play, but you got to just take what the market give you. You're trying to do calls in certain plays when the move might have been puts. You're trying to do puts in certain plays when a move might have been calls. Guys, check out SMCI sitting at $55.48. They are up 21%. They got their filing in on time, and the stock took off, okay? And so you never know if this wakes up the market tomorrow, okay? At least temporarily. So put this on your radar for something I want you to watch and monitor. Look for continuation higher, okay? Now that they filed and now that they're not going to get delisted. Delisted mean they were going to get took off the stock market and put in the OTC market, okay? And so now that they filed, they are in the clear for the time being. And so they're at 55. Let's see if they can get to 57 or 58 tomorrow, okay, or higher. But then if they can't, you need to identify, okay, it seemed like it ran out of steam once it got here. Or I taught you guys the rest of the market is contingent upon the SPY. If you see the SPY can't go higher, this is eventually going to get to a level where it won't go higher. And if the SPY come down, it's going to bring SMCI down, okay? Speaking of the SPY, check this out. The SPY got wrecked today, came down from 600 all the way down to 590. I call these levels in Discord. If this helps you guys navigate properly, please let me know in the comments below. I told you all of these levels. When the SPY was 600, I said today if it can't get above 603, 600 or 603, it was both levels. 600 was resistance. Look for this to come down to 595, and if we lose 595, it's going to come to 590. This came to 590. It bounced off support. Look at the double bottom down below. That was 590, and it bounced back up towards 595 where you see it close at right now. So the same levels will be in play for tomorrow. Your job is to make your charts based off of today's levels, because they're going to be in play for tomorrow. Matter of fact, if we can't go higher than 600, it's coming right back to 590. Look at the bottom candles down there, guys. This chart is talking to you. They're telling you where it's going to go. But however, when it get to 590, that will be a bigger term double bottom, and so we might have a future move to the upside. But don't guess, don't gamble, react. You got all day tomorrow and overnight to see how the market does. Okay, that is the SPY. Okay, let me know if you guys made money with that on today. Okay, and then Nvidia, the ruler of them all, ticker symbol NVDA, they have earnings tomorrow, and this is going to make or break the market. This is either going to finish off February going down, and so they'll, no matter what Nvidia do, they might push the stock down. If it's come down, I want you guys to be looking for 115 to 111, 112 ish. Okay, yes, it can go lower, but I just want you to have a area to be thinking about. And if it goes up, I want you guys to be looking for 140. Okay, you don't know what it's going to do, so don't guess. Tomorrow at market close, so this time tomorrow, okay, we'll know. We'll see it clear as day, and then you can play it accordingly. If this go down and we don't see no buyer step in, then boom, we can start looking at moves to the downside. If this go up, you get happy, all is well. It's going to lift the rest of the market back up, because this is one of the biggest, if not the biggest play in the stock market. So guess what? A rising tide lift all boats. All this little selling they doing will be over and done with. Boom, clear blue skies, everything will be going back up. However, a lot is contingent upon Nvidia, so just wait and react. Okay, but for those that are long-term investors, this is a good time to be dollar cost averaging. This is a good time to be finding the sales in the market of the stock that you like, and even if some you might know, like, and love. And these are the times you want to be accumulating. You want to be getting shares. You want to be building your long-term future on these temporary type of time periods. Okay, when it's blood in the streets, it's time to eat, but you don't always have these type of blood in the streets moment. You might have a little blip type of pullback, but you don't have something like Palantir coming all the way from 124 all the way to the 90s like that. Okay, you don't get that kind of move every day. You don't get all the other plays you guys like Hims and Temu and all the other stuff coming down such in a rapid manner, where now if it go back up, you're getting a great buying opportunity. But the market can go down a little further. It's best to buy low or lower than where you see the prices at today, if you can, if it presents itself. And so don't be in a rush, don't be hasty. Stick to your trading plan. More importantly, have patience, use your stop loss, and remember the dollar cost average, guys. Listen, coach gonna get up out of here. Everybody be in the Discord first thing in the morning. We will crush the SPY, okay? And then for those of you that know how to trade and play Tesla, we will crush Tesla, okay? They're all there for the taking. Just don't get married to these plays, guys. It's about making money, and it's about taking what the market give us, okay? We don't care if it go up or down. We are snipers, all right? Listen, man, we gonna get up out of here. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.